That's right. And I mean, we only saw 2 full runs in that first run. So a lot of the athletes fighting with the course a little bit out here. Devin Logan, she just went too big, which is actually really unusual considering the fact that the main issue out here is getting enough speed to clear the jumps. Devin went huge, but she is a larger, more muscular female than the rest of the group. So that always contributes, of course, to one of the athletes being able to garner more speed and clear those jumps. An advantage out here today.
Well said. And if you're just joining us, Devin, a last-minute substitution. Kelly Silderu, the Golden Girl, unable to make it a go here, deciding not to participate in the final. And Devin Logan getting in his first alternate.
If Devin Logan can put the landing gear down throughout this run, she can certainly hop up onto the podium, no question. There's the right side 540 Japan now coming in backwards to this final jump. She needs to stomp here. The switch 720 and Logan puts it down, coming in as an alternate and putting down a run which could very easily take her onto the podium. Solid stuff right there from the Vermont native.
It's wide open out here today, and Devin Logan stomps her second and final run.
Nice backside 270 out right there, hops on, keeping it fairly basic on the rails, which I think is a smart strategy. Don't do too many technical tricks there. Just try to keep that speed, that downward trajectory through everything that you do. Nice switch left 5. And coming in right here to the left side, 720, hanging that out to dry a little bit. Then she brings in the right side trick. The judges love to see that. Right side 540, locking in the grab very well. One thing that Devin does is she's always grabbing her skis, always locking in those grabs, and judges love to see that, whether it's half pipe, big air, slope style. Logan's always putting it down. Nice switch 720 right there. Sneaking it just by the knuckle of the landing, but in tonight's event, that's actually fairly big.
Trying to replace that 12.33, that she will absolutely do, but how high will she get? Again, only 2 clean runs during first attempts. So undoubtedly, this is a podium run, at least for the time being. And difference in strategy here. Generally, you need to send it on that second and final attempt, especially after you put a score like 12.33. The way this comp is forming out, just putting out a solid score may be enough to carry you to a podium.
That's right, and I think that it should be said, Devin Logan coming in and doing a very strategically smart overall run, and boom, look at that.
An 83, jumping Devin Logan up into silver medal position. So a strong final attempt from Devin Logan. And again, only finding out that she was skiing in this moments before the comp started.
Devin, about an hour ago, you didn't even know you were going to be competing, and you just dropped in and got into second. I mean, did you even have any practice coming into this?
I had a lot of practice being first alternate. You gotta be, oh, sorry.
Out of words, it's all right. You must be so excited right now to be in second place.
So happy.
Well, congratulations, and good luck to the rest of the field. Actually, are you nervous right now, waiting for the rest of the field to drop?
Yeah, all these girls are awesome, and anyone could put down a run.
All righty, well, thank you so much. High five, congratulations. Give it up one more time for Devin Logan. Back to you guys.